Good morning, children. In the last video, we had completed the half part of the lesson 7. The name of the chapter is Not Enough Food. In that part, we learned about famine, causes of famine, that is, natural calamities, and about human created problems. Now, if the person is suffering from the shortage of food or famine, it leads to deficiency diseases. People who do not get enough food to eat suffer from malnutrition. Malnutrition leads to deficiency diseases. Diseases that are caused by lack of nutrients such as carbohydrates and vitamins in our diet are called deficiency diseases. Let us see some deficiency diseases. The deficiency disease like marasmus, caused by the lack of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. The child becomes so thin that loose folds of skin can be seen all over the body. The ribs of the child can be seen. To protect us from disease like marasmus, we should eat rice, wheat, potatoes, maize, honey, eggs, fish, nuts in a proper quantity. The other disease is kwashiorkor. It is caused by the lack of nutrients, that is, proteins. The abdomen of the child gets swollen and bulges out. The legs become thin. So, to protect us from this disease, we should eat eggs, fish, meat, cereals and pulses. The other disease is anaemia. Anemia means less hemoglobin produced in blood. So it is caused by the lack of iron. Blood carries less oxygen in the body, resulting in pale looks, tiredness, loss of appetite and weight. To avoid this disease, eat eggs, pulses, cereals and green leafy vegetables. The other disease is goitre. Goitre caused by the lack of iodine. Swelling of the thyroid gland near the neck is the symptom of this disease. So, to avoid this, you have to eat fish, seafood and iodized salt. The other disease is improper development of bones and teeth. So it is caused by the lack of calcium and phosphorus. So the symptom of this disease is bones and teeth become weak and brittle. So to avoid this, you have to eat milk, green vegetables, meat, fish, pulses and nuts. Children, these are the diseases that occur due to the lack of nutrients over a long period. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorder in our body. Deficiency of different vitamins may also result in certain diseases. So, let us discuss the diseases which occur due to the deficiency of vitamins. So, the disease like rickets, which caused by the lack of vitamin D. So, the symptoms are bobbed legs and bending of the spine. So, to avoid this disease, you have to drink milk and eat fish and eggs. The other disease which caused by the lack of vitamin A is night blindness. So in this disease, the person cannot see in dim light. So to avoid this disease, carrot, butter, milk, spinach and green vegetables person should eat. The other disease is beriberi, which is caused by the lack of vitamin B. So, the symptoms of this disease are skin becomes dry and scaly, extreme weakness and the nervous system and the muscles are affected. So, to protect us from this disease, we should eat milk, eggs, meat and green leafy vegetables. The last disease is scurvy, which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. So, the symptom of this diseases are swelling and bleeding of the gums. To protect us from this disease, we should eat citrus fruits. So, the lemon and oranges are the citrus fruits and tomatoes. Today we learned about the 9 deficiency diseases and its symptoms. Now you have to read the lesson and revise it. See the video 2-3 times for proper understanding. Thank you.